brother Brody, and this is my mom, Stacy, and we are touring this school because the school we have right now isn't the perfect fit for us, and this school seems like it might be a better fit, so we decided to tour it to see what we might like. So far, my favorite has definitely been the opera, the band, and the orchestra, along with the improv, because I'm that theater, motion, interactive type person, and I've heard a lot of great things about the teachers and how everyone is kind to each other.
I think it would be interesting because it has a lot more hands-on work and problem-based solving, and I would like to do the tech classes because they have a lot of that stuff.
Anything else that interests you at the school?
Building robots and hands-on learning. I really like making stuff and competition, and I hear this school has more of that than my old school.
You know what really stands out for me is actually how friendly the kids are, the student body staff. That we've gotten a tour from one of them, and in each classroom we go to, they actually approach us and they've been kind of showing us the different projects that they do, and they all seem very engaged and very excited about their school.
I just really like it because mostly I can choose what I want to do.
You know, I was really impressed with the kids here, first of all. When I came in, there's a kid who escorted me. She's probably a middle schooler, but she was so confident, and I could see genuinely they were talking good things about what they're learning and how good the curriculum is and how good the teachers are. And yes, we got the enrollment QR code as well, so if all works out, we would like to enroll.
I'm already on the waiting list for this school, but this 5th grade is full right now, so I'm going in next year.